Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So today we're taking a look at some cases sent out to me by TAC. So this is their new premium cases and available in two separate colors. So the first color is Diamond Clear and the second color is Onyx Clear. So the packaging has been changed slightly, so you do now have a little press to open at the bottom and the case will slide out, and on my right you have the Diamond Clear and on the left you have the Onyx Clear. So we'll take a look at the Diamond Clear first. So this is their new line of super clear cases. It is just a thin polycarbonate shell and all of the buttons are just open, so that includes the camera control button as well. We'll slide the case in and snap it into place. So that is the case fitted. So it is relatively thin. So looking at it, obviously right now anyway, it is probably one of the clearest clear cases that I've ever used. Whether or not it stays like that is a different matter. Over time they all tend to yellow slightly. I believe that they have actually introduced some extra stages to try and reduce that, or at least minimize it as much as possible. But if you want to show off the actual color of your phone, then this is their best option for you. Taking a look at the actual cutout, so your power button and your camera control are fully open. On the opposite side you have all your buttons open as well, and at the bottom you have precise cutouts for the actual microphone as well as speaker outputs. On the back you do have a little bit of a camera lip, so you do get some lay on the table design protection from it as well, and as you can see you do have full magnets as well. So that is the Diamond Clear. Now we'll take a look at the Onyx Clear. Okay, so taking a look at the Onyx Clear case. So this is similar design. Well, everything else is exactly the same. It just has a slight darker tint to it that changes up the look slightly. In terms of your openings, everything is exactly the same on both sides as well as on the bottom. And then on the back, once again, you do have that camera lip design as well. The MagSafe magnets on this particular one are tinted black. On the inside, they are still white. And in terms of grip, this is generally quite grippy all over. But whether or not it stays that way once you start to get your hand oils and just general usage, we'll have to wait and see. Overall, the case is very thin, so putting it on, taking it off is quite easy. In terms of your buttons, you obviously get full tactile feedback on that, and me personally, even though it's not got the camera control cover, I do actually prefer it when cases don't have the button, because I tend to only use it to activate the camera. I don't use it for the actual zoom and other functions like that. So for me, I want to avoid accidental triggers, and for that reason I actually prefer not having a button and having it slightly indented, as opposed to having it completely flush and accidentally triggering it, even if you do have that double click enabled. So on my particular settings, I do have it set up to only activate once I've double clicked it, but as I tend to grab my phone from the bottom more so than the top, I don't want to accidentally trigger it. Overall, the case does feel quite nice, and for the price point I think it's about right in terms of a premium clear case, be it whether it's the Onyx or the completely clear case. These, I believe they go for roughly around about £25, $25, that kind of range, and that's probably on par with most other manufacturers. And if the claim holds up in terms of how they won't yellow and being the most clear, so you do get to show off the actual color of the phone even more so, then obviously that's something you're paying the little bit of premium for. Both cases do have a little bit of a protective wrapper on them, so if you want to take a look at the true clarity of the case, then just peel that off. Now, one thing that is slightly bugging me about this particular one is the MagSafe magnet as well as the ring is just offset slightly, which isn't a big deal, but is something to note. On my Onyx version, we don't have that same problem, so it is just something with this particular version. This could just be because this was sent out early for me, and it may just be a quality control issue with the sort of review units, as opposed to being anything to do with general sale unit once it's actually available. Overall, two very nice cases. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'd really appreciate if you can also give this video a thumbs up as well. And until the next one, thanks very much for watching.